Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.
这个但是FAPA的 YPG 少年时代、新时代的人，所以我叫 Danny， 给你介绍这舞子。
大家好，我的名是 Daniel. This is we're part of FAPA YPG, Formosan Association for Public Affairs Young Professionals Group. So FAPA is an organization. We're based in Washington, D.C., and we perform advocacy events, grassroots advocacy to promote U.S.-Taiwan relations, and also we support self-determination for Taiwan. So we handle all types of events locally that are involved in these goals, whether it's talking to local offices of congresspeople, or also organizing cultural events which we think promote Taiwan. So that's the essence of FAPA YPG. We welcome people of all ages, although we are the Young Professionals Group, to join with our events. Thank you very much.
Hi, welcome to the 2016 Taiwan American Cultural Fest here in Union Square.
The biggest and the best Taiwanese American cultural festival in the United States.